So Capitalflow opened its doors in 2016. You saw a gap in the market. What was that gap?
Well, really, I've been lending for the last 20 odd years in the Irish market, and during the financial crisis, a lot of the foreign banks, left these shores. So we could see an opportunity to get in there and start lending again to small and medium-sized businesses all around Ireland, and really that's what we've been doing, Gary, since then.
And was there a kind of a difficulty previous to that for small and medium-sized businesses to access credit in the way that I think some people suggested after the crash, that banks weren't lending as much or as easy as they have been? So you're basically filling that market.
Yeah, I mean, I think you've seen a number of alternative lenders come into the marketplace. Some of them have left again. We're still very much growing and getting out there and reaching customers. I think the big issue for Irish businesses, especially small business owners, was that they couldn't really connect with their banks. Their banks were in a lot of difficulties themselves with their own balance sheets.
Yeah.
So they couldn't reach out. So when you tried to contact them, you probably got an answer machine maybe rather than a person behind it.
Because you describe in your sort of company literature that you offer a kind of traditional banking, relationship banking.
Yes, exactly. I mean, with the big difference between us, I think, and some of our competitors is that when a customer gets in touch with us, we go out and meet them. We kick the tires. Yeah, we're interested in the balance sheet. Of course, we're interested in financial figures and ratios and gearing and all those banking terminologies. But we're also interested in the human side of things and really getting to know that customer and getting to know their vision for the business.
What kind of questions do you ask when you're actually dealing with somebody and they're looking for money? Like, how do you assess whether they're a worthy candidate?
Well, I think first of all, you're trying to listen to the customer, and I think listening is a kind of a trait that's kind of gone out of fashion nearly. Everyone wants to talk, everyone wants instant access to everything. But I think sitting down with a customer, getting to know their business, and actually really kind of hearing what they're going to do in the future and what type of products they may need from a lending perspective are really important.